Octane maintains innocence amidst new One Don gang claims. Dancehall singer Octane remains unshaken, even after his name was yet again called in the intensifying One Don gang trial on Tuesday.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit your notification button. Yo, I want to start by saying I hope all the Jamaicans then in the Ukraine can get out. I heard the Jamaican government wants them to pay $2,000 US to fund their trip back to Jamaica, because you have a lot of Jamaicans in the Ukraine who studying. So I hope people in the Ukraine also can work this out with Putin, because it's really tough. Now I want to make one other comment pertaining to something else. Well, it's in correlation with this. Wanna just hear the clip with Octane. Now, I'm always upset at Jamaica because Jamaica have an army and the army police the people them. So, Michael Manley start the army emergency thing where them have emergency power and them can go into people's houses. Now, look at Russia. They use their army to invade a country, and we in Jamaica we use our army to attack the people. That's what we do in Jamaica. Why don't Jamaica use the army and go invade Curacao right beside Grenada? Go invade a country. Why didn't we send an airplane to Ukraine and get our people in? You see what I'm saying? Why do we have an army in Jamaica? And the army is used on the people in. But anyways, I'm gonna go. This is Octane. He's mixed up in this gang. He can act like he's not a part of it. But my mother always say, show me your company and I'll tell you who you are. Now, I want y'all to watch the rest of this clip with Octane and hear what he says and let me know what you think. Yo, my name is COUNTRYMAN. Remember to like, share, and subscribe and hit your notification button. And Octane, show me your company and I'll tell you who you are. If you hang around queer, then you're queer. If you hang around killer, then you're a killer. That's just how it is. There's no in between. Watch the rest of this video.
Witness number 1, the second ex-member of the St. Catherine-based Klansman gang turned Crown witness in the ongoing trial of 33 accused members of that outfit, has claimed that discussions were held with dancehall artist Octane, whose real name is Byami Muir, to spirit a Klansman member out of the country as a part of his entourage. I said what I had to say from the first time. We just hoffy make it guan until it dead out. All dema do in accord and talk, and that's it. If something drastic happens now and we have to take legal action, then I will. But I have nothing more to say, Octane told Jamaica First Country First. The witness, who was in discussion with an accused Fabian Johnson O.C. Crocs during a recorded phone call, explained that he was being told about a sum of money, $250,000, that alleged gang leader Andre Blackman Bryan had said was to be collected from Octane. The witness, in responding to a question from the prosecutor leading the evidence, alleged that the artist had also told Johnson that a visa could be obtained easily. He was talking to Octane about getting a visa to leave the country and Octane was saying that easy, the witness claimed. The first time the Hurt by Friends singer was under scrutiny for his alleged involvement with the criminals, he took to Instagram to defend himself in a lengthy caption. In testimony made in November 2021, witness number 1 referenced multiple visits by himself and Bryan to the St. Andrews studios of Octane. More than one time we went to the studio, the witness said, adding that the facility was located on Dunrobin Avenue going toward Constant Spring Road in a plaza next to a car mart. A worked-up Octane reposted one report on Instagram, and in a lengthy script, sought to reject the claims about him cavorting with gang members, which were attributed to the witness. After reading this, eyes, and see what them say about me, eyes, where and how am I a criminal, man shrugging, he wrote. People me never know say voicing music for an established recording company is a crime. Me bus from me a 16-17, over 15 or more years now and me voice for so many ghetto labels. Bus enough ghetto youths who produce music from the ghetto and never involve or mention in any criminal activities, so why now, man shrugging. In furthering his defense, the Mama Yule lone singer, said it was not strange or untoward that a studio would attract people of ill repute, as people from all walks of life will visit these entities at any given time. Just let me clarify something that I see on the net. First thing, no one escort me to studio, do your research. People in the music can tell you I have my own recording studio, so when anybody wants to do any form of recording dem meet me at the studio. Next thing, why would I doing crime and have my little daughter at a crime scene? So if having my daughter who loves music at my studio when I am recording so she can learn more plus voicing for a known recording company, where is the crime? Okay then, that means that the majority of Jamaican artists are criminal then, Octane continued. Note, I don't know nothing about dem badness but dem ask for help, just to record a song on a rhythm so they can get into producing and me nah go tell no lies, me record fi dem over and over because I wanna show dem say life news stop a badness. He then sought to point out that associating with, or having a business relationship with people, does not necessarily mean that he is bosom buddies with them.